Alright, you're welcome back to class. So we're going to be having a continuation of the order of operation problem. Okay, we have some couple of questions on the board that can help us understand better how to solve questions with order of operation. Now let's learn about it. Solution. Now question 1 says, in bracket, 5 times 4 times 8 minus 5. Remember our acronym says what? BODMAS. Right? BODMAS, where B represents what? Bracket, of, or parenthesis. Of can either be any of the operation, multiplication. Then D represents what? Division. M represents multiplication. A is for addition. And S is for subtraction. Right? Now the question says 5 times 4 equals what? 20 times 8 minus 5. According to our BODMAS principles, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we're going to multiply 20 by 8, which is 160, minus 5, and this gives us 155. Alright, now question 2, we have 9 minus 3 squared divided by 3 divided by 7. So we're going to open this bracket first. Minus 9, right, which is still in the bracket, divided by 3 divided by 7. 9 minus 9 is what? 0. And 0 divided by 3 divided by 7 equals 0. And that's the final answer for question 2. Question 3 says 7 square minus 4 times 7. 7 times 7 is what? 49, minus 4 times 7. Right? So we're going to multiply before we subtract. And this gives us what? 49 minus 4 times 7 is 28. And then our answer is 21. 49 minus 28 is 21. Alright, question 4 says, we're going to open the bracket of 2 and 3 times 6 squared minus 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, times 6 times 6 is 36, minus 3. We're going to multiply 6 times 36. And that gives us what? What's 36 times 6 is 36. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3, 21 minus 3. And this is 213 as our final answer. Question 5. We have 5 minus 9 plus 7 times 2 squared minus 8. Okay, so this is 5 minus 9 plus 7 times 4 minus 8. Okay, so this becomes what? 5 minus 9 plus 7 times 4 is 28 minus 8. And this is 5 minus 9 plus 28 minus 8 is 20. Alright, so what do we do next? So this what? 5 minus. So from here we'll have 5 minus 9 plus 20 gives us what? Plus 11. Right? And this becomes 5 plus 11 is 16. You know, in the order of arithmetic multiplication, minus times plus gives us minus. So we subtract the smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of the bigger number. That's what we did here. So 5 plus 11. Okay, that gives us 16. And this, we've come to our end of our lesson for today. Okay, I hope you keep practicing, and don't worry, in subsequent videos I'm going to teach you how to use the other formula. We have BODMAS, which is mostly known by Nigerians, and we have PEMDAS or GEMDAS, which is known by our foreign friends. So probably I'm going to do more videos that has to do with calculating order of operation using PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Alright, please do well to like my videos, subscribe, share and comment. Do have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.